Hey friends, today in this video, we will discuss about how to integrate Jira with Dynatrace. Okay, so Jira is the tool where we can able to see all the open issues and what is the, like what progress in that issue. We can able to update in the Jira work notes. Okay, just like ServiceNow, Jira is one of the ticketing tool. Okay, so if you integrate Dynatrace with Jira, all these problems for every respective problem, Jira it would create one ticket, Jira ticket. So for each ticket, it has some priority like a P1, P2, P3, and P4. Okay, based on the priority level, most of the IT professionals working accordingly. Okay, I will show you one sample demo. So I have already configured, okay, how to create, how I integrate Jira with Dynatrace. Just check. So this is what you can able to see in the Jira user interface. Before you are going to create the Jira account, make sure that you have to choose the right template. Okay, for all the templates, these functionality will not be available. Only few templates having this functionality where we can able to see the all the issues. If you integrate Jira with Dynatrace, if a Dynatrace will generate any of the problem, for every respective problem, it will create one ticket like this. Okay, if you open this problem, you can able to see all the description why this monitor has been failed. This problem is related to synthetic monitoring. So why this monitor has been failed? So this monitor is facing HTTP monitor global outage. Okay. So if this happens, you can able to update the work notes. Okay. So you can update the root cause analysis. Why this URL is not able to accessible and what is the issue? What is the exact? We can able to update the root cause n- notes. Okay, just save. Okay, if any of the next shift guy, okay, if you are working in a shift wise rotational basis, if you are working in morning shift and you have performed some analysis and you have some work notes, all the work notes can be updated in Jira. I mean, with that respective Jira cricket. Okay, the next shift person they can able to understand what is the progress on that issue. And same thing, okay, if you are working with multiple teams like app team, support team, development team, and all, so they can able to check the progress of that issue. Okay, for suppose one app team, raise this Jira cricket to your team to address this issue, and they want to know what is the exact root cause of that issue. So at that time, you can able to go through this problem link. Okay, open in browser and go through that problem link, and we have identified these analyses, and we are seeing that this outage is happening due to this SSL and all this we can able to update is in our Jira work notes. Okay, for each respective Jira ticket. Okay, so Jira is a platform. So it is, where the IT professionals can use it as a ticketing tool and all. So now we have to, now we will learn how to integrate with this Jira with the Dynatrace, track all the open issues. Okay, every time we will go to this problems tab and check the problem and all. It involves a lot of manual work. Okay, to avoid this situation. Okay, to avoid a lot of manual work, if you integrate this with Jira, all the problem should allocated with some priority level. Okay, based on the priority, the support team or Dynatrace team or any of the team will able to work on particular issue and get it resolved as soon as possible. Okay, to maintain all these records, you can able to optimize your project role. I mean, you can able to optimize your project performance. So we are solving these problems in day by day. In today activity, we have already um, cleared the all the issues and we can able to show our manager. Okay, so boss, we have resolved these much issues and we have addressed these issues and this is the work progress on the particular issues. So all this, I mean, Jira will is like a ticketing tool, right? All I already told you, everything will be recorded. Okay, to maintain these records, we can work efficiently and we can able to reduce the complexity to address the issue. So for suppose every time, so in Dynatrace, it is already having a email alert integration. Okay, so if you can able to see in the integrations, you can able to configure the integrations with the email, service now and all. Okay, by click on add notification, you can able to see the notification type as Ansible, custom integration and email. If you choose email, okay, if you choose email and add your email IDs, recipient mail IDs, if any of the problem got raised in that particular environment or management zone or anything, you will able to receive the email. Okay, so email, so every time you can go through the email and check, and if you see, you can able to see the issue of that particular entity, but not what are the performance, what are the analysis you have performed, and what is the work progress you have done. So all this won't be recorded in email. Okay, to better understanding, to maintain transparency to the app teams and the end users, if you integrate with this Jira, so that app teams also will check that okay, is I mean for this issue, so this support team is working. Okay, they are finding their root cause analysis and all. Okay, and then you can able to show the evidence. If you find any of the performance related issues and you have done all that in a document format, you can able to attach that document. Okay, so if you attach this document, so the user will able to check, okay, what are the attachments they have provided in that respective Jira ticket and all, and they will go through that document and understand, okay, this problem got raised for this root cause analysis. Okay, for this issue, this problem got raised. So they will understand very clearly. So you can able to record everything. Okay, if any of the issues or happen, if you can able to record everything in Jira. Okay, now we will go through and integrate Jira with Dynatrace. Okay. So I already told you, right? Before you are creating the Jira account, make sure that you have to choose the right template. Okay. For all the templates, these operations, I mean, this incident tracking will won't be available. Only few templates will available to address these issues called incidents, bugs, and all. Okay, make sure you have to choose the right template. Okay, for to track every of the incident, you can able to see to do in progress, in review and done. Okay, and here, so this will be the platform of Zero. Okay, here in the right, in the left side, you can able to see operations tabs. Using these operations tabs only, we can able to integrate Jira with Dynatrace. Okay, all the integrations will be performed in the operations tab only. If you integrate the Dynatrace in Jira using this operation tab, okay, all the problems which you got raised in Dynatrace automatically Dynatrace send the problem notification to your Jira UI. Okay, they will able to send the problem to your Jira account. Okay, so for each respective um, Jira incident or Jira ticket, by default it would assign some priority value like priority one, critical, priority two, high, priority three, medium, priority four, low. So based on the priority levels, so we can able to address the issues and we can make this work as easy as possible. Okay, so I already told you, right? You have to choose the right template. Okay, if you are using any of the other templates and you are not able to see the operations tab, it is all nothing but the template what you have chosen. Okay, it is all about the template. So make sure you have to choose the right template. And once you have chosen the right template and create your Jira platform, you can able to go to the operations tab. Okay, just want to go to back. Yeah, go to my Jira UI where I can able to see the all the options. Just go to your Jira UI and go to Operations tab and click on Overview. Okay. Before that, you have to create a team. Okay. What is the team you have to create? You can create multiple teams. Okay. Based on that. So based on these teams, the Jira ticket will be assigned. Okay. Make sure of it. You have to create one team and then go to Operations tab. Click on Overview, select the team. Okay, and here you can able to see all the routing rules and all. And go to integrations. Click on Add integration. Search for Dynatrace. I am going for Dynatrace. Okay, only Dynatrace, not Dynatrace webhook. Okay, go to Dynatrace. And what is the integration name you have to given? Zero Dynatrace notifications. Okay. So with this Dynatrace integration, to which team I have to assign that particular Jira ticket? Here in the able to see I have given this name Praveen Dynatrace team. If you want to give another team or multiple teams that you can able to give. Okay. Go to continue. Once this integration is happens, and go to so here you can able to see we not at all on this integration. Here the status it is showing off, and if any of the ticket will be comes under this integration, will comes through this integration, it will be assigned to the Praveen Dynatrace team. Okay, and it is the API key. Okay, just open here. You can able to see the rules. What are the incoming rules, and we can able to check here. So these rules we can able to modify in further. Okay, you can apply the conditions as per your requirement if you want to implement more rules to reduce, optimize and enhancing the priority that you can able to see and that you can able to. And here, if you can able to see, we are doing with doing this integration with Opsgenie API key, not complete integration of Jira with Dynatrace. Okay. So in the beginning, we already selected uh, Dynatrace, not a Dynatrace webhook. Okay. So here you can able to see this Dynatrace portion offers limited functionality. Okay. For more features, use a Dynatrace webhook. Okay, here we are doing with a minimum functionality for our understanding and what is the integrate, how we can integrate in an easy way. Okay, I can able to see. So here we are going with Opsgenie API key. Okay, just copy this token and keep it in your notepad or anything like doc or anything. Yeah. Now here these steps we have to implement in our Dynatrace UI. Okay, go to Dynatrace, go to settings, under settings, go to integration and problem notification and click on add notification. Okay, here we're going with Opsgenie functionality. So select Opsgenie and we have to give name Zero Dynatrace integration or Zero Dynatrace notifications. Okay, and Opsgenie key, which we have already copied, and here paste it. Okay, here it will ask Opsgenie domain. Okay, what is the Opsgenie region domain? Okay, if you don't have any idea or if you don't have much knowledge in this Ops Genie region domain, just go with API opsgenie.com for US. Okay, API dot opsgenie.com. Okay, so here we have to map the alerting profile. So I am mapping default alerting. So for testing purpose, I have to check whether this Jira notification is working or not. I have to send one test notification. Okay, but here we are not enable this. Just enable this for non-integration. Okay, now go to back. Okay, this integration is on, and all the alerts you can able to see in the operations overview, alerts tab, and all. Okay, just send another notification. Hit refresh. Here you can able to see the test notification has been received in our zero operation notification tab. Okay, so it is a test notification only. Okay, if in going forward, if any further problems got triggered in Dynatrace, all the uh, problems for every problem, it would create one ticket in Jira. Here you can able to see the priority of that ticket. It is moderate. If you want to change it to low, you can able to change. Okay. And if you want to update anything in the work notes, you can able to update. Here. checking this and will let you know the update. Okay, just save it for the time being. And here, this is an open ticket. First, we have to acknowledge. Okay, and we can work and we will update our findings in the Jira ticket. Okay, so this is the test notification what we have received from the Dynatrace through Opsgenie API. Okay, now I want to test this Jira notification in real time. Just save it. So earlier we have already created synthetic monitors, right? Yeah, we have around 2 to 3 synthetic monitors in our Dynatrace UI. Yeah. Now I will bring down any of that URL, any of this URL, so I will bring down this visual ClickPath synthetic monitoring. It is a browser ClickPath monitor. I will bring down this, and if I bring down this, it will generate one problem. Okay. As per our observation, as per our understanding, for every problem, we should receive a Jira ticket. Okay. Just check. So where is this URL? What's the URL? Okay. It's okay. Go to my hosting page and Blogger, and I want to bring this URL back to draft, revert to draft. Okay. Now this URL is not is not able to access by the end user. Okay. Now I will hit on demand again. If I hit on demand, this URL is not at all accessible, right? This monitor should be failed. Just trigger now. I am waiting for the result. If it shows failure or failed, okay, it is failing. Okay, let's see. Is it generate any problem? Okay, it generate one problem. Okay, just now at 12:44. Yeah, 12:44. Now go to our Jira incidents tab, operations, overview, and you can able to see alerts. Under alerts you can able to see default alerts. In default alerts you can able to see all. If you want to monitor all, all the tickets. No, I want to monitor only open open tickets which are not acknowledged. Okay, click on open. Here you can able to see the Jira ticket got created for that respective problem. Okay, just cross check the problem number. The problem number is P-25053. Okay, just check 25053. Same problem. That means our Jira integration is working as expected. Okay, so now I want to acknowledge this. Now I will update. Hi team, this ticket has been created through testing. Please ignore this. Okay, if you update the work notes like this, if any of the person in our shift in your team, they can easily understand and they will ignore this issue. Okay, because they have already gone through the work notes and all. Okay, So like that, you can able to, integrate Jira with Dynatrace, and for every problem in Dynatrace, it will create one Jira kit. Okay. So by default, by default for synthetic monitoring, the priority will be P1. Okay. If any of the issue, if any of the problem got raised regarding synthetic monitor, by default, Jira will create a P1 incident. Okay, P1 ticket, and it would be very problematic. Okay, so for some projects, P1 is most important, and that should be addressed as soon as possible. And sometimes it would be eh, escalated to higher management. Okay, so if you, Praveen, so in our company policy, in our project policy, we are not allowed to create either P1 or P2 for synthetic monitors, that you can able to override in the rules. Okay, I will show you. Go to operations, overview, integrations. Okay, here you can able to add the rules. Not here. Sorry. Go to alerts. All, and before going to make and add some rules in the priority wise, like, so how to set the priority of the particular alert and all, we have to uh, address some features in Jira. Okay, go to, if you see all the alerts, okay, here you can able to see the state of the problem is open, and here you can able to see the state of the problem is open, and we have acknowledged this problem. Okay, and how this problem will be resolved. The in Dynatrace, once the problem got raised and that problem got resolved, for suppose, okay, the problem got resolved, and once that problem has been resolved, okay, here the Jira ticket has to be closed. Okay, I will I will show you how to check. Here you can able to see the problem is still open. Okay, because we have made that post as draft. Okay, and it is getting 404 response code. Now I will publish that post again. Okay, if I publish that post, the problems should be resolved. Once that problem will resolved, okay, the associated Jira ticket will also be closed. Let's see. Again, I'm going to on-demand execution, and because I don't want to wait for 30 minutes to run this monitor, just trigger now. It will take some time, to 5 to 10 minutes. Once you can able to see the result as success, the related problem will be closed and the related Jira ticket will also be closed. Okay, here you can able to see it is a success, and check that problem is open or not. Yeah, problem is closed. closed problem. Okay, just copy this problem number and go to our Jira dashboard alert steps, and it will refresh automatically. Okay, for now I am hitting refresh. Here you can able to see the problem status is closed and that relative Jira ticket is also be closed. If you check this with problem number, okay, it will, okay, P-25053. Okay, in Dynatrace, the problem got closed. Then automatically the associated Jira ticket which is linked to that problem will also be closed. Okay, all this communication will be happen through that, okay, API. Okay, you can able to see the activity log, how this problem got created. Okay, at 12:44, the problem got created through API. Okay, and after that, I have signed this and I have acknowledged this. Okay, after that, it will send one email alert to my registered mail ID. Okay, this related Jira problem has been actioned. After that, I have provided my comments. Okay, this problem has been raised due to testing. Please ignore this. After that, through API, okay, the problem got resolved right in address. Then automatically API will send the communication to Jira. Okay, then automatically the related Jira ticket will be closed. Okay, then you can able to see all this activity in the email also. Okay, so this is the process how we can integrate Jira with Dynatrace to track open issues and how we can able to update all the work notes of that incident and how we can address and how we can attach the evidence and all. Okay, before you are going to integrate Jira with Dynatrace, make sure that you have to choose the right template. Okay, the template should have the incident tracking, bug tracking, and performance and all. Okay, make sure that keywords will be there. Incidents, bugs, and requests and all should be there. Okay, and if you created the Jira with inappropriate template now, so it won't work. Okay, so here we have integrated Jira with Dynatrace using Opsgenie API. Okay, not Dynatrace webhook. Okay, and if you want to implement more functionalities and all, you can better to go for Dynatrace webhook. Okay, for our simple understanding and for our and I mean to address this concept integration of Jira with Dynatrace. So I have explained this concept in a simple way. Okay, so in IT industry, so the IT experts and all, they will integrate Jira with CMDB. Okay, so with the help of CMDB, so the problems will ascend as per the CMDB configuration management database. So it is a somewhat advanced level. Okay, so that's all for today. And in next video, we can able to discuss how we can reduce the priority. By default, we have to assign some priority to the respective Jira ticket. Okay, that we will discuss in next video. Thanks for watching.